Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this catfish barbecue. Very delicious catfish barbecue. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. To our new subscriber, you are welcome to Unique DJ Space. And to our returning subscriber, thank you so much so far for all your support. Thank you, I really appreciate. Today is Vlogmas day 25. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being there. Thank you for always clicking on my video whenever it pops up. I really appreciate. Thank you all. Let me show you the process of this barbecue fish. So guys, here are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've already washed my catfish with lemon, or you can use hot water. I have the one I use hot water. You can check it out on my channel. It's on my channel. And here are the spice I'm going to use to make this sauce. I have salt, dry thyme, fish spice, then smoked paprika, curry powder, and seasoning. So here are all the seasoning I'm going to use to make this sauce, and these are the peppers. I have scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, red onions, white onions, green bell pepper. I've cleaned everything. I'm going to use my food processor to blend this. I don't want it to be too smooth, so I'm using food processor. So you can see how rough it is. So I'll add in vegetable oil on my pot. When it's hot, I'll fry the pepper mix. So I'll fry this pepper until oil starts floating on top. Mix them together to incorporate and continue frying. So I'll add more smoked paprika. See, now our sauce is ready. You see how everything is separated, the oil is on top, the sauce is ready. I'll use kitchen towel to clean the fish, to clean any excess water on the fish so that the sauce can marinate well inside the fish. So I'm going to use knife to cut through into the fish so that our sauce can enter inside. We don't want the fish, the outer will be sweet and the inside will not be sweet. We don't want that. This will make every part of the fish to be very delicious. I'll sprinkle some salt on each part. So I'll use my brush to add in the sauce. Make sure the sauce coats every part of the fish. So I'll be turning it over to do the other side. So I'll coat the other side with the sauce also. So I'm going to turn it over and coat this side, the part of the head, very well. You know, we cut that side to remove all the dirty. So I'm going to put enough sauce inside that part. By doing all this, tell me why this catfish will not be delicious. So I'll add in spring onions to the guts of the fish. I'm doing this just for the aroma, nothing else. You can skip that process, or you do with onions, green bell pepper, any aroma you want. But I like the spring onions aroma, that is why I put that there for the flavor. I just put that for the flavor of it. Then I'll cover it, make sure it's not tight. I put this inside my oven and it take like 45 to 40 minutes inside the oven, and our barbecue fish is ready. Very delicious and yummy. We can't have this without a side attraction. So I put in the salad and the fried sweet potatoes. You see how well presented this is. This is so delicious and yummy. Thank you all so much for your support in this Vlogmas so far. We have come to the end of 2023 Vlogmas. Thank you for your support. See you all. Bye.